Hi guys, today we are going to study chemistry first year chapter number 1 basic concepts or introduction. The first topic that we are going to study is atom. What is atom? Many questions about it, but first of all we will study its introduction. This is according to examination system. My presentation is according to examination system. I have repeated it 2 times. Okay, now I'm going to show you what is atom. Atom, first of all, we are going to study its introduction. There are 3 subheadings in introduction. Introduction of the atom comprises of Greek philosophers, Democritus, and work of 17th century as written with 3 arrows in front of introduction. In Greek philosophers, matter could be divided into smaller and smaller particles to reach a basic subunit. It means that every matter can be divided, but it is divided enough to reach a basic subunit, and that basic subunit is indivisible particle. Indivisible particle means it cannot be divided, indivisible. Okay. The next thing is Democritus. He was a scientist who worked very hard for the atom, and he is considered as the founder of the atom name. He called these basic subunit or indivisible particles as atom. This is our introduction about atom. Now another century that shows us that work of 17th century that I have written in third arrow, it tells us that the quantitative study of composition of substance means the composition of substance was studied quantitatively. Quantitative means not detection. It also means what is the weight in that compound, what is the so far relative percentage, yeah, this is a good word, percentage of that element in that compound. This was the quantitative study of composition of substance, which disclosed that few elements were the component of many other substances. There was a big question. The few elements were the component of many other substances. How is this possible? This is possible. Yeah, this is possible. How is this possible? Answer is elements react with one another with different properties. That properties that they comprises their substances. Now I am going to show you what was the work of John Dalton. The next heading is John Dalton, which tells us that all matter is composed of atoms. All matter is composed of atoms means that everything in our surrounding is made up of atom. Nothing else is made of anything else. Of our next thing defines the John Dalton work. You know why he is scientist? Due to these words that I'm going to say you right now. All matter is composed of atoms of different elements which differ in their properties. All matter is composed of atoms, I'm going to repeat it, of different elements. It means that every matter is composed of atoms which are the component of different element, and different their properties. That was the work of John Dalton. You're gonna ask me questions about this in comments. You're gonna ask me in these questions in comments. Definition. Now the time has reached. What is atom? Now everyone has thought that I have told you earlier that indivisible particles mean the smallest particle. The smallest particle of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction. Sorry, there is written can't, but it is can, sorry. Which can take part in a chemical reaction. It may or may not exist independently. This definition will give you 2 out of 2 marks if you are going to get that question in your exam. So that's why definition of the atom is the smallest particle of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction. It may or may not exist independently. Now there is a big question, why atom may or may not exist independently? This is the big confusion. So I gonna solve this confusion for you. I have 2 examples for this, hydrogen and helium. Helium is an inert gas. Hydrogen is everybody know it is unstable. It react to form H2 hydrogen gas. It will react to form hydrogen gas. That's why it is not independently existing gas so far. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what are the modern researches about the atom. The modern researches about the atom has shown that all the atoms are further composed of subatomic particles. Oh, that's major progress in the field of chemistry, that atom has been disclosed to show you that there are many subatomic particles. But the subatomic particles that shows the properties of the atom are known as fundamental particles. These fundamental particles are known as electron, proton and neutrons. He was awarded as Nobel Prize due to his work because he was the successful, because right now there are many researches to determine the atomic masses of the element, but the Berzelius work have shown the most accurate one. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe because we are going to upload each and every content daily basis of chemistry of first year in Pakistan, in India, in every country which you want. Okay, thanks for watching again. Goodbye.